Does your fridge need an upgrade, or maybe you need to upsize to meet your family's growing demands? Knowing the fridge types available and their features and functions will make buying a fridge easier. Common fridge types include top mount, bottom mount, side by side, and French door fridges. A top mount fridge is characterised by a top freezer with a large lower cooling space. Bottom mount fridges, on the other hand, have refrigeration on the larger top compartment and a bottom freezer. Side-by-side fridges have two doors that split the fridge, with one side for cooling and the other for freezing. Another popular fridge type is French door fridges. Many French door fridges have three doors, a top fridge with two doors and a bottom freezer drawer. Quad door fridges are another type of French door fridge, known for their even four-door style. Freestanding fridges and integrated fridges are widely considered for their stylish designs. Freestanding fridges are built to be standalone with one door, and they're typically cooling or freezing only. Many brands will have a matching freestanding fridge or freezer, so you can have a matching pair in your kitchen. Integrated fridges are built into your kitchen cabinetry, with door panels matching your cupboards. Integrated fridges add a touch of luxury to any kitchen with their hidden look. Fridges of today have many extras that are well worth considering. Fridges with flexible compartments can be adjusted so that the cooling best meets your needs. For example, the space could be set with cool, chilling, or freezing modes for your specific storage of your food, whether you're storing deli meats or chilling champagne. Smart fridges are also really popular, providing the option to remotely monitor and control cooling via an app on your smart device. Some smart fridges even have a built-in camera, so you can see the contents while you're out grocery shopping. Whether you're replacing, upsizing, or doing a kitchen renovation, having the right fridge will make a world of difference to your household's food storage, cooking, and dining experience.